Rung Devnagri, the script for Rung-lwu. The whole word is reverberation, and O, U, Mo are the original letters, sounds or pronunciations. All others are the combination of these. So there is no two views that Devnagri is the best to teach our kids to lead to a superhuman being, not to an obedient servant. Devnagri vowels and consonants coupled with the letters, sounds or pronunciation introduced by Poso since way back in early 90s are no, 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 mo, yo, tho, lo and wo. These are the letter, sounds or pronunciation that differentiates a Rung from Valan or Pung. Rung have only three categories of peoples: Rung themselves, Pung the Tibetans, and Valan, meaning other than Rung and Pung. Is often said by elders, Khaya Valanna, meaning that what a Valan like, which only confers to that he is not able to pronunciate the above letters, sounds. Without acceptance, usage and follow-up of these additional letters, sounds, except Banba-lwu, all other Rung-lwu, Kute-lwu, Darma-lwu, Tinker-lwu, ByanKhu-lwu cannot be written with an appropriate pronunciation. Poso has been trying to convince that Rung Devnagri is suggested. Rung Devnagri thus suggested would fully take the burden of all the Rung-lwus, which were almost at the verge of extinct in 80s due to closure of trade with Tibet, which created the basic issue of livelihood in the Rung society. He has been advocating the quick introduction of Rung Devnagri, citing the relevance and linkages between it and Rung-lwu at various fora, Rung Kalyan Sanstha, Rung-lwu Wong of WhatsApp, AGM, or through publication in Amtikar, Ringleba are a few to be cited. In the same time, he has been vehemently discouraging use of Roman script for Rung-lwu in these fora. His statement that it's not the time to mourn, but rise to warn to the UBI, the unfortunately born in India. That's all, cites his concern in this respect. On a fine morning, he cried, Eureka, Eureka, Kattinshi Thapri Mang Kattinshi, Churo Rangakshar Mang, Mangkhui Kattinshi. Nu Devnagri ke she akshar Mang. No, 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 ho, mo, yo, ro, lo, lo, जी वो गे उच्चारण डी मिंडी न्यार मंच मंखो कत्तिंशी थन इन रंगलो जारी मना तर्कने आई नस्सा निश अप्रैल नस्सा से चप जय रंगशा जय रंगशा जय रंगलो जय रंग संग जय ब्योलीशा रंग देवनागरी अक्षरमंग कर्मशः नासिको मूर्धन्य ङो नासिको मूर्धन्य ओ नासिको मूर्धन्य यो नासिको मूर्धन्य नो नासिको तालुब्य नो नासिको मूर्धन्योष्ठ मो तालुब्योष्ठ मो तालुब्य यो नासिको मूर्धन्य रो नासिको मूर्धन्य लो तालुब्य लो नासिको मूर्धन्य वो तालुब्य तथा मूर्धन्य जीव के अगर भाग को क्रमशः तालु और मूर्धा स्पर्श कर देवनागरी के अक्षर बोलने की कोशिश से प्राप्त होंगे, पर नासिको मूर्धन्य नासिका श्वास से जीवा से मूर्धा स्पर्श करने पर प्राप्त होगा। तदैव अन्य असंख्य युग्म कंठ, ओष्ठ, दंत, तालु, मूर्धा, नासिका आदि मिश्रित नए उच्चारण रचना संभव है। आज से ही आप भी करके देखें। इस प्रक्रिया से ही अन्य लिपिहीन भाषाओं की भी उपयुक्त लिपि बनाई जा सकती है।